Ah, Greece. The land of ancient myths, sapphire waters, and sun-drenched islands. Imagine yourself strolling through ancient ruins feeling the weight of history beneath your feet, or sipping strong coffee at a charming taverna, lulled by the gentle rhythm of the Mediterranean. Are you ready to explore the breathtaking landscapes and rich history of Greece? Join us as we dive into the top 10 must-visit destinations that will inspire your next travel adventure. From the iconic whitewashed villages of Santorini to the bustling streets of Athens, we'll uncover the hidden gems and must-see sights that make Greece a traveler's dream. So grab your backpack, your sense of adventure, and let's set off on a journey to discover the magic of Greece together. First stop, Santorini. This iconic island is like something out of a dream. Imagine dramatic cliffs plunging into the turquoise Aegean Sea, topped with villages of dazzling white houses. Santorini is a volcanic island, and its unique landscape is a result of a massive eruption thousands of years ago. The caldera, a flooded volcanic crater, is the heart of the island, and the villages clinging to its rim offer breathtaking views. You can wander through the narrow streets of Oia, a village famous for its stunning sunsets, or explore the archaeological site of Akrotiri, a Minoan Bronze Age settlement buried by volcanic ash. Take a boat trip to the volcano and swim in the hot springs, or simply relax on a black sand beach and soak up the sun. Santorini is a feast for the senses, a place where beauty and history collide to create an unforgettable experience. For those who want to connect with the island's past, a visit to ancient Thera is a must. Perched high atop Mesavuno Mountain, this ancient city offers a glimpse into Santorini's long and fascinating history. Explore the ruins of temples, theaters, and homes, and imagine the lives of the people who lived here centuries ago. And of course, no trip to Santorini is complete without witnessing the legendary sunset. Find a spot in Oia, perhaps with a glass of local wine in hand, and watch as the sky explodes in a symphony of color. It's a moment you'll never forget. Next up, Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. Athens is a city where history whispers from every stone. Walk in the footsteps of Socrates and Plato, marvel at the Parthenon, a masterpiece of ancient architecture, and explore the Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that towers over the city. Athens is a vibrant mix of ancient and modern, where you can wander through bustling markets, savor delicious Greek cuisine, and experience the warmth and hospitality of its people. But Athens is more than just ancient ruins. It's a vibrant, modern city with a thriving arts and culture scene. Explore the trendy neighborhoods of Syri and Exarchia, known for their street art and bohemian vibe. Catch a performance at the Odeon of Herodes Atticus, a stunning ancient theater that still hosts concerts and plays. Or simply wander through the bustling Monastiraki flea market, where you can find everything from antiques to souvenirs. No trip to Athens is complete without a taste of its culinary delights. Seek out a traditional taverna and savor classic dishes like moussaka, souvlaki, and fresh seafood, all washed down with a glass of retsina, the local wine. And don't forget to indulge in a sweet treat like baklava, a rich pastry made with layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey. Athens is a city that will stay with you long after you leave. It's a place where history, culture, and the joy of life come together to create an unforgettable experience. Let's head south to Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, a land of rugged mountains, fertile valleys, and stunning beaches. Crete is a paradise for foodies, with a rich culinary tradition that reflects its diverse landscape and history. Savor the flavors of fresh seafood, olive oil, and local herbs, and indulge in traditional dishes like dakos, a barley rusk topped with tomatoes, feta cheese, and olive oil. Explore the Samaria Gorge, a challenging but rewarding hike through one of Europe's longest canyons. Visit the Palace of Knossos, the center of the Minoan civilization, and imagine the grandeur of this ancient culture. Or simply relax on one of Crete's many beautiful beaches, from the pink sands of Elefsinici to the turquoise waters of Balos Lagoon. Crete is also a place where you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the Greek people. Visit a local village and chat with the locals, perhaps over a glass of raki, the traditional Cretan spirit. Learn about their customs and traditions, and experience the true meaning of philoxenia, the Greek concept of hospitality. Crete is an island that will captivate your senses and nourish your soul. It's a place where you can connect with nature, history, and the simple pleasures of life. Ready for adventure? Then Rhodes is calling. This island is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts with something for everyone. Explore the medieval Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and walk the Street of the Knights, lined with imposing medieval buildings. Hike through the Valley of the Butterflies, a natural wonder where thousands of butterflies congregate in the summer months. Or head to Faliraki, a lively resort town known for its beautiful beaches and water sports. Try your hand at windsurfing, kite surfing, or scuba diving, or simply relax on the sand and soak up the sun. Rhodes is also a great destination for families with plenty of kid-friendly activities on offer. For a taste of local culture, attend a traditional Greek night, enjoy live music, dancing, and delicious food, and learn some Greek dance steps yourself. Rhodes is an island that seamlessly blends history, adventure, and relaxation, making it a perfect destination for a memorable vacation. Corfu, the Emerald Island, is a feast for the eyes. Lush green hillsides meet turquoise waters dotted with charming villages and historic landmarks. Explore the Old Town of Corfu, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its Venetian architecture and charming squares. Visit the Achillean Palace, a stunning summer residence built for Empress Elizabeth of Austria, and wander through its beautiful gardens. Experience the vibrant culture of Corfu during one of its many festivals. Easter is a particularly special time to visit, with elaborate processions and traditional celebrations. Or immerse yourself in the island's musical heritage by attending a concert of traditional Corfeo music. Corfu is an island that will enchant you with its beauty, history, and warm hospitality. The best time to visit Corfu is in the shoulder seasons, spring or autumn, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. You can enjoy the island's natural beauty without the hustle and bustle of peak season. Mykonos, the island of the winds, is a paradise for couples seeking a romantic getaway. Imagine strolling hand in hand through the narrow streets of Mykonos town, lined with chic boutiques and art galleries. Relax on one of the island's many beautiful beaches, from the secluded sands of Agios Sostis to the party atmosphere of Paradise Beach. Indulge in a romantic dinner at a waterfront restaurant, savoring fresh seafood and local wine as the sun sets over the Aegean Sea. Stay in a luxurious hotel with breathtaking views and enjoy the island's vibrant nightlife. Mykonos is a place where you can escape the everyday and create unforgettable memories with your loved one. Naxos, the largest of the Cyclades Islands, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Escape the crowds and explore the island's unspoiled beauty, from its towering mountains to its secluded beaches. Visit the Portara, an ancient marble gateway that stands as a testament to Naxos' rich history. Hike to the summit of Mount Zeus, the highest peak in the Cyclades, and enjoy panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. Explore the island's charming villages, where you can experience traditional Greek life and sample local delicacies. Naxos is a place where you can escape the tourist crowds and discover the true essence of Greece. Delphi, perched on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, was once considered the center of the world. This ancient sanctuary was home to the Oracle of Delphi, whose pronouncements influenced kings and emperors. Explore the ruins of the Temple of Apollo, the Athenian treasury, and the theater, and imagine the grandeur of this once sacred site. To reach Delphi, you can take a bus from Athens or rent a car. There are several hotels and guest houses in the modern town of Delphi, offering comfortable accommodation and stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Prepare to be amazed by Meteora, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where monasteries perch precariously atop towering sandstone pillars. These monasteries, built by monks seeking solitude and spiritual enlightenment, offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Visit the Great Meteoron Monastery, the largest and oldest of the monasteries, and marvel at its intricate frescoes and stunning architecture. Finally, we come to the Acropolis of Athens, the crowning glory of ancient Greece. This iconic landmark, visible from almost anywhere in the city, is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Greeks. Walk among the ruins of the Parthenon, the Erechtheion, and the Propylaea, and feel the weight of history beneath your feet. The Acropolis is a fitting end to our journey through Greece, leaving you with a lasting impression of this incredible country. As you stand on the Acropolis, gazing out over the city of Athens, you'll realize that Greece is more than just a destination. It's a journey through time, a celebration of culture, and an invitation to experience the warmth and hospitality of its people. Soak up the atmosphere, capture the memories, and carry the spirit of Greece with you long after you've returned home. We hope this journey has inspired you to pack your bags and explore the wonders of Greece. From the ancient ruins of Athens to the sun-drenched beaches of Mykonos, Greece offers a tapestry of experiences that will captivate your senses and enrich your soul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to follow our travel adventures. Safe travels and see you in Greece.